Today, I'll be showing you how to exchange Verge on Guarda. Verge is a decentralized cryptocurrency offering private transactions, making it difficult to determine the geolocation of its users. It uses multiple anonymity-centric networks such as TOR and I2P. The IP addresses of the users are fully obfuscated and transactions are completely untraceable. Verge is not a private company. It was founded through an ICO as an open-source project with an active team of developers from all over the world. That is why the development team is always in close contact with the community, and the project itself can be described as community-driven. Guarda fully supports Verge on its web, desktop, and Chrome extension platforms. First, sign into your web wallet. To find your Verge wallet, either scroll down on the left panel until you find it, or type Verge, or its ticker XVG, into the search bar to find it more quickly. On Guarda, the coin can be stored, sent, received, exchanged for any other crypto, or even bought for fiat with a bank card. For this example, we will be exchanging Tron for Verge. Choose Tron in the first wallet slot and Verge in the second. Type in the amount you would like to exchange. Click Next. Before confirming, please check the details. If everything is correct, click Confirm. If you need to check details after the exchange, just go to your transaction history.